Hey all, this is Eric with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for San Francisco. We have a very special flat for you here today. This is 1197 South Van Ness, heart of Mission, just down the street from 24th, which is an amazing business district with so many fun restaurants and eateries and coffee shops, and Noe Valley is right down the street as well. But here we are in the apartment. This has been newly renovated, and the owner, who's a lovely woman, has done some special stuff here. So as you can see right here, you have a bar stool seating, nice island that people can hang out around. I love brick accent. This is a true fireplace from the days of old, and they've kept it for your pleasure. Stainless appliances, quartz countertops, and since it's a 5-bedroom house or flat, we have lots of cabinets for food storage, pots and pans, etc. Super tall ceilings, just amazing. Right here is a bathroom. You can take a look at that. That has been completely redone as well. And yeah, it's just an amazing job that the owner has done. 5-burner gas range, dishwasher, garbage disposal, just fantastic. So you might be hanging out here, eating, enjoying, cooking, and then if you want a more proper, dining experience, there's a space right here for a dining room table, as well as here is the living room area. So you can appreciate the tall ceilings, open beam ceilings, lots of light shining in here. Just a really spectacular property. So let's go back. Let me show you the bedrooms. So this is the main living area. And I'm going to come around the island right here, and we are going to start going into each bedroom. So again, there's 5 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. Again, as you can see, lots of light coming in here, and nice hardwood floors, tall ceilings. Some of these have different types of closet configurations. I want you, when you come visit, I want you to talk to the agent and make sure that the closet configuration is to your liking. So here, this is a built-in. You can see lots of space in here for storing your clothes. One thing which is really cool, all these lights are remote controlled as well, which is fun. I love that. Great technology in it. Here we are, bathroom number 2. Nice big sink. Tub, tub and shower combination here, so you can soak and or take a shower. And again, white plank vinyl flooring, just really lovely. Nice wainscoting across here for your pleasure. Now, you probably want some storage, and this property does not disappoint. You have a big walk-in closet right here, and more storage right here. Which is really, really nice. Another bedroom right here. Again, 5 bedrooms, so lots of space. This is the landing right here. I've seen people really take advantage of this space as well because it's so large to put a couch here or something and really make this into another little space that people can enjoy. Office or whatever have you. All right, and so let's go in here. This is the next bedroom that you can see. And these are facing Van Ness. Now, again, these owner has put these cabinets, closets in for just viewing. She's willing to put in a closet, a proper closet if you want as well. So again, I want you to talk to the agent about that. And this is a cool, these older houses are so fun. So for some reason, they divided this closet and they cut it in half. I'm not sure what. And this opens up here, and that's going to get fixed. But this is fun, and again, depending on your configuration, I'm sure there was a good use for that at one time. And of course, here, one of the things I love about these big windows is you can put a sitting area here. And if you like looking at people and seeing cars go by, this is like an amazing opportunity. So anyway, there's going to be more of this video. We're going to do a quick video of the outside, and then we're going to go down 24th and look at some of the eateries as part of this video too. But give us a call. We'd love to show the property to you and give you a tour, because this is really a special place. All right, thanks a lot.
Hey again, so here we are in the neighborhood. This is 24th and South Van Ness. You can see from the flags and all the people, this is such a bustling and wonderful area. More flags, and of course, you know, we have all these restaurants that line this area of the city. You know, we have the outdoor parklets, and you know, this is 11 o'clock in the afternoon or morning, so you can just imagine how busy this place gets in the evening. And this is one of the special things about this area of the city and why so many people want to live near here. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see the links below if you're interested in seeing or viewing the property. All right, cheers.